Okay, so for luxury or mid-market properties, how does your approach differ?
So it differs on really what you want to do. And I try to make it as seamless as possible because, like I said, it doesn't matter what type of media we do. I will always give you top quality. But what I do stress is I do give recommendations. Let's say to a 10 bedroom, ultra luxury property.
Mm-hmm.
I want to do 15 photos. I'm gonna be like, 15 photos is not gonna be enough though. That's where
Mm-hmm.
I change my packages. But I just tell you, I'm like, look, I really recommend 30 or even I suggest 45 plus photos on this property. Yeah, but that's just not my budget or that's just not what I want. Okay, no problem. So a lot of people or other photographers, they go based off the price of the property or they go based off how many rooms or how based off this. I'm giving you what I'm giving you, and I'm always
Mm-hmm.
going to give you top quality, and that's it. So you can choose, and you as a professional, you can choose. And sometimes a lot of people they are feel a little skeptical. We're like, this is the first property we're doing together. I just don't know yet. Okay, I totally understand. I'd be the same way. So
Mm-hmm.
that's where I have those price ranges, and also the same thing with the video, with everything, where those entry prices, where you can just get like let's say 15 photos on even a $5 to $10 million property, and I'll grab the most I can, and I'll still treat it like if I'm doing as 45 plus photos to myself, I'll still treat it completely fine. And what I do is sometimes I'm like, look, I'm giving this recommendation, and not just because I'm trying to upsell you. I'm
Mm-hmm.
giving this recommendation for yourself. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a little extra, and if you change your mind and you still like everything, I still have those backup ones. So that's what I try doing. I just try to be in case because, like I said, everybody makes some mistakes, and some people just are a little skeptical. But once they really see the true vision, and whoa, can we do more of it now? So it always changes.
Yeah.
So that's what I try doing in those type of circumstances. But you choose your price pretty much on what you want to do, and this is what I can give you, and that's pretty much it. And then we go along from there. So yeah.
Awesome.